Discovering a lease violation can feel like a breach of trust, but it's a scenario that every landlord will likely face at some point. No matter the situation, how you handle the situation determines if you can resolve the issue professionally or if you'll end up in court. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Etherton, the General Manager at Avail and a DIY landlord for over 15 years. Handling lease violations requires objective, calm, and solutions-focused communication. In this video, we're going to cover common types of violations, how to communicate them effectively, and the exact steps to take to resolve the issue without losing a great renter. Before diving in, let's cover the basics. A lease violation occurs when a renter goes against the rules outlined in your agreement, which often requires quick action to protect your property. Common examples include receiving multiple noise complaints, having occupants living in the unit who aren't on the lease, or a renter getting a pet without permission, though this usually excludes service and emotional support animals. Violations can range from unauthorized property renovations to more serious issues such as using the property for illegal purposes. The most important thing to know is that your state may have very specific rules on how these violations must be communicated. Because of this, you should always refer to your local regulations to stay compliant. Now that we've covered the basics, here's a step-by-step on how to handle a violation professionally. Step 1, choose formal communication. While you might be tempted to send a quick text or have an informal chat, always opt for formal written communication. Send an email or a formal letter to ensure there is no room for misinterpretation and to establish a clear paper trail. Step 2, provide a cure or quit notice. In many cases, you'll want to provide the renter with a cure or quit notice. This notice is a formal legal demand used when a renter has violated a lease term that is actually fixable. Cure means the renter fixes the problem, like removing an unauthorized guest, while quit means they move out of the property entirely. This notice is often used for first-time or fixable offenses to give the renter a certain number of days to make things right before you take further legal action. Step 3, draft a detailed lease violation notice. If the situation is serious, you'll need to draft a formal notice of lease violation. To be valid and professional, it must include the property address, unit number, and the names of all renters on the lease, the date the notice was written and the specific date the violation occurred, include clear next steps and exactly how many days they have to fix the issue, and a request for confirmation of receipt and your signature as the landlord. Step 4, know when to escalate. If the issue persists after providing the notice, it may be time to head to court. When you do, make sure you have sent the notice via certified mail so you have proof the renter received it. Effectively managing lease violations requires a high level of professionalism and a structured approach to communication. Above all else, it is vital to consult with a lawyer and refer to your local landlord-renter laws. Doing so ensures you understand all of your available options and can determine the best course of action for your specific situation. By staying consistent and documenting every step, you protect your business and your peace of mind. For more resources on rental property management and to stay informed about the latest best practices, visit us at Avail by clicking on the link in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you landlord with confidence. Thanks for watching.